Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we are going to have a very mini yin session. And so yin yoga is a type that you hold the poses for anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes. And I'm not going to do that to you today, so we're just going to hold them for a count of 6 breaths each. And this will just give you an overview of what you can expect in a yin yoga class. So grab some blocks and your mat and we'll get started. So we're going to start on our bellies. We're going to come into a Sphinx pose. So think about the actual Sphinx. So your shoulders, your chest will be pulled forward, your shoulders will be directly over your elbows. And your hands will come out straight from the elbow. Your gaze is forward. So this is a mini back bend. And then we'll just add a little bit to it by raising the feet. And we'll stay here for the count of 6 breaths. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then release the legs down. And we'll bring the hands beside the chest and lift up. So from here we're going to come into a pigeon pose, which is a big hip opener. So for this I recommend having your blocks just off to each side. We're going to start in a tabletop position. So from here, you're going to bring the right knee up towards the right wrist. And you're going to cross that right ankle in front of the left knee. And then you're going to slide the left leg back. So you may notice that the right hip is kind of floating in the air. This is where I would recommend having the block. Now this pose also is not going to be ideal for those who have knee issues because the knee is in a compromised position. So if you feel any tweakiness in the knee, just come out of it. So we're going to hold this for 6 breaths. You can also have the block for your hands. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Remove that block, the one from underneath the hip. We'll come back up and release that right leg. You can stretch that leg out. And then we'll move to the other side. So bringing that left knee up to the left wrist, crossing it in front, and sliding the right leg back. The block goes underneath the left hip. And then we'll sit tall. You can also have that block there for your hands. 6 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and release the block, the other block from the hip. Coming back up, release the left leg, stretch that out. Coming back down to all fours. So from here, we're going to come into a low lunge, and you can have your blocks for this as well. You can put them at the top of your mat. So this is a low lunge, but it's also called dragon. So we're going to come back to all fours. Bring the right hand in, maybe about the middle of your chest, and then step the right foot forward. So from here, you can have the hands on the blocks, and they can be on the towel height as well. And then we're going to sink the hips forward. Six breaths here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then releasing, and bring the blocks down, bring the right knee back in. We'll switch to the other side. So bringing the left foot forward, hands will come onto the blocks, sink the hips forward, and then 6 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then releasing, and the blocks down, coming back down. So we're going to come into a child's pose. So separate the knees, bring the big toes to touch, sink the hips back towards the heels, and then reach the arms out in front of you. And we'll go for 6 breaths here. So your head can rest on the mat. Your arms can either rest on the mat, or you can make it an active child's pose and have the arms lifted. So 6 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and walk the hands back up. Looking at the 2 blocks for the last pose, we're going to come into bound angle or butterfly pose. So the bottoms of your feet will come together, your knees will come out to the sides. If your hips are a little tight, you can have the blocks underneath the knees just for a little bit of cushion and just to feel that space between the knee and the floor. And then your hands can rest on your knees. They can be face down or palms up, just depends on your preference. So if you want, you can allow the eyes to close. We're going to end with 6 breaths in this pose. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And open your eyes, bring your hands to your heart. Namaste. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell for notifications. Remember that all these flows are designed for you to make your own sequence and practice them at home. So I hope you will go back and check out the other videos, and I hope to see you in my next video.